A grain silo, which none of you really know what it is because I don't think we have very many grain silos here. So let's make it a giant soup can is 16 feet across and 33 feet up and down. Yes, of course, it's a whole grain. But basically, this big soup can is 16 feet across and 33 feet up and down. That's the diameter 16 feet and the height is 33 feet. How much soup or how many beans can you put inside of this giant soup can? Okay, so what we're looking for is the volume of the cylinder. Sound good? Now, the volume of the cylinder, there's my junky old cylinder. And I know that that thing is 16 feet across and 33 feet up and down. Now, by the way, I want everyone to take notes and make sure that you write down these notes. And tell me to slow down if you have a question. All right, Braden's already throwing out an idea. Braden is saying that the volume is equal to the base times the height. But the base, what is the base? Oh, and Keely's throwing out what is the height, and the answer is it's 33 feet. We got that from the problem. Now, I agree with the height being 33 feet, and you just throw in 33 there, and you'll be good. Now, okay, good. Sky's already got the idea. What we want to do, and let me slow it down because I know that some of you are a little bit like, I'm going a little fast. What we want to do is, in order to find the base, what this really represents, anyone who, is concerned about it, is what is the area of this bottom part, or the area of this top part? Now, the answer to that is, well, that bottom part is a circle. And the equation for the area of a circle is pi times r squared. So the volume of a cylinder is simply pi r squared, which is what my base is, times the height. Now, I'm going to pause the jing. I'm going to ask. At this point, we're pretty much done. We have the equation, we're good. But the question is, what do we plug in for r? I already know what we plug in for h. H is 16, or h is 33. But what do we plug in for r? Shayna is saying 8. Why 8? I don't see an 8 anywhere in this problem. Sky is saying because the base, the full thing, is 16 feet across. And what Keely is saying is the radius is what we're looking for from here to here. So if it's 16 from end to end, then from the middle to the end is 8. So I plug all of that in. I get volume is equal to pi times 8 feet squared times 33 feet. Can somebody plug that into their calculators for me? What is pi? All right, well, first of all, you need to do the parentheses. So that's 8 squared. What's that? Multiply that by 3.14 and multiply that by 33. All right, so 64 times pi times 33 is, what's your answer? Oh, I've got answers all over the place. 64 times pi times 33. Write that in your calculators. I've got 3 different answers. 4 if you include mine. Dawson has an answer that I agree with. Keely also has an answer that I agree with. 6,631. And 2 seconds left in the jing.